Okay, so here is another mole conversion problem. This time we're going to be going from moles. Let me see. We're going to start with moles and we're going to be going to grams. So starting here at mole, going to gram. So this time we're going to be using this part right here of the map. This is the molar mass. So we're going to have to calculate that right away. So to do that, first thing we'd have to do is write the formula. So calcium hydroxide, calcium's +2, hydroxide's -1. So this would be the formula. And then to get the molar mass, we have to just look on the periodic table. We have 1 calcium, and on the periodic table, the molar mass is 40.08. We have 2 oxygens, molar mass is 16. And then hydrogen, there's 2 of them, and molar mass is 1.008. So I would just add these together. So once I add these, I get 74.096, and that is grams per mole. So there's that many grams of calcium hydroxide in 1 mole of calcium hydroxide. So we're going to use that later. But first thing we're going to do is take that beginning number, the 0.92 moles of calcium hydroxide, and write that over 1. So we're right here. Now we're going to take that molar mass and we're going to multiply by 74.096. There's that many grams of calcium hydroxide in 1 mole of calcium hydroxide. And then you can see, again, the units cancel. I'm left with grams, so I know that that part worked out. So then I'm just going to calculate this by taking and clearing the calculator, just taking 0.92 times 74.096. So our answer is up here on the calculator. Significant figures, I have 2 to start with, so I'd want to end with 2. So I'll just round that answer so that it has only 2 significant figures. So 68 grams. And that is my answer.